The SV520 series is a 10-ton class soil compactor, while the SV620 is a 12-ton class product. The innovatively designed SV520 and SV620 series are ideal for medium to large soil compaction jobs. We recommend using the smooth drum for compacting sandy soil and gravel, and the pad foot or tamping drum for tightly packed soil and clay. SAKAI offers two more combination drum types. The first is the DF type, a smooth bass drum covered with pad foot shells. The pad foot shells are easily mounted or removed in the field. The other is the TF type. In this combination drum, the bass drum is a pad foot type or T-type, over which smooth shells are mounted. Again, it is easy to switch between the smooth and pad foot configurations. Dynamic compacting performance is one of the most important features for a vibratory roller. The new SAKAI SV520 and SV620 series offer the best compacting performance in their class of earth compacting equipment. This illustration shows how the vibration force is produced. A hydraulic motor rotates an eccentric shaft in the center of the drum to generate the vibration force. The characteristics of this vibration force can be simulated by hitting the ground with a hammer. The amplitude is the distance between the highest position of a hammer and the surface of the ground. The centrifugal force or vibration power resembles the downswing of the hammer from top to bottom. The higher the starting position of the hammer, the greater the force of the downswing is. This is why amplitude is the key factor in soil compaction. For 30 years, SAKAI has operated a compaction test lab certified by the Japanese government. Every new SAKAI product undergoes the compaction test in this test pit. The compaction tests of the SV520 and SV620 revealed that their compaction performance is higher than that of the previous model, the SV512. The compacting performance of the SV520 and SV620 is greatly improved from that of the SV512 due to the increased amplitude and corresponding centrifugal force. This is a compacting performance curve taken from the test. The SV520 and SV620 reached the target density with fewer roller passes than conventional machines, due to higher amplitude and greater centrifugal force. In this test, the SV520 and SV620 exceed the target density after 6 roller passes, while the previous model, the SV512, needed 12 roller passes to reach the target density. This means owners of the new SV520 or SV620 can complete projects faster, saving time and money. The core samples are cut in 3 sections, shown here. In each section, produced by the new models, shows higher density than those for the previous models, the SV512. We can also observe that the vibration force reaches deeper layers, demonstrating the quality of the compacting performance. Again, the higher amplitude plays a significant part in the compacting performance and the deeper reach of the compacting force. The SV512 already enjoyed a reputation for better compacting performance than competing models. The SV520 and SV620 offer even better performance. With SAKAI's new SV520 and SV620, the world of construction and property development just got better. The SV520 and SV620 offers an enhanced menu of operating features, contributing to operator comfort and safety, reliability, reduced operator fatigue, and lower operating cost. The new models also feature SAKAI's new Eco Compaction mode. The Eco mode reduces fuel consumption up to 20%. With the throttle lever at full throttle, the engine runs at a rated speed of 2,300 RPM. When it's in the Eco mode position, the engine speed is reduced to 1,900 RPM. The Eco mode is recommended for use on leveled ground. When working on sloping or extremely rough ground, we recommend that you select the full throttle position. When you select the Eco mode, the specified vibratory performance is maintained while the engine runs at lower than the rated engine speed, reducing fuel consumption. At full throttle, fuel consumption is approximately 12 liters per hour. At the Eco mode position, the fuel consumption is approximately 10 liters per hour. Your savings, 2 liters per hour. Assuming that the roller runs for 1,000 working hours in a year, your total accumulated saving is 2,000 liters per year. The new models also preserve traditional SAKAI features customers have long enjoyed. Thanks to a unique mounting design, SAKAI's rubber isolators last longer than those of competitive models. How does this design work? In our design, the roller is propelled by a drum drive motor mounted directly on the drum. The rubber isolator absorbs vibration that would be transmitted to the chassis and operator. This is also the case for competitor products. The difference is that, in competitor models, the drive motor is mounted on the chassis and transmits its drive power to the drum through the rubber isolators. The rubber isolators in competitors' models thus function both to absorb vibration and as part of the drive system for the drum. Thanks to this design difference, SAKAI's rubber isolators deliver between 50% and 4 or 5 times longer service life than those of competitor models. The use of high-tension steel in the drum yields a further improvement in service life of up to 10% on the new SV520 and SV620. The center pin hitch follows the SAKAI design concept that is applied to all our products, assuring durability and minimal maintenance cost. The SAKAI center pin hitch employs heavy-duty bearings for both articulation and oscillation. In contrast, our competitors' center pin hitches consist of a small bearing or a pin and bushing. These designs require more frequent maintenance, driving costs higher. The lubrication cycle for the center pin mechanism on SAKAI machines is every 250 hours. For our competitors' machines, it's every 50 hours or even daily. The drum produces high vibration, yet the operator deck must be free from vibration. Vibration of 10 G at the drum is reduced to 1 G at the operator deck. This is thanks to SAKAI's unique vibration-absorbing design and the fact that the operator deck is a floating type supported by additional rubber isolators. The noise level is also reduced to just 87 decibels for superior operator comfort. To ensure operational safety, the machine complies with the principle of 1-by-1 visibility with minimal blind spot. Like other SAKAI rollers, the SV520 and SV620 offer 4 braking methods. The primary brake is the hydrostatic dynamic brake controlled by the forward and reverse lever. Putting the lever into the neutral position applies the dynamic brake. The parking brake is actuated by pushing the parking switch on the instrument panel. An automatic brake system is activated in the event of engine or hydraulic failure. Finally, SAKAI offers one more way to stop the machine in emergency situations. SAKAI's unique pedal brake. In emergency situations, the pedal brake provides operators with a fast, simple way of avoiding accidents. The SV520 and SV620 feature a low-profile operator deck. Just 1,240 millimeters high, this is the lowest deck height in its class, providing enhanced operator comfort and safety. Now, let's see how easy and safe it is to perform routine maintenance and service on the SV520 and SV620. The engine hood flips open fully. All major components are within reach from ground level. This design secures excellent safety for mechanics. With direct access from ground, operators suffer less fatigue and enjoy greater safety. SAKAI's new SV520 and SV620 are the compactors of choice for contractors worldwide, providing high-quality compacting, low operating, maintenance and service cost, and safe operation. Presented by SAKAI.